Everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cut your high and low flare. You can use this formula to make design for your blouse or for your skirt or for your gown. So let's get down to it. I don't know if you can see the drawing here. I'm not really good at drawing, but this drawing I draw here is just for a skirt, and the bottom of the skirt, I'm going to use the bottom of the skirt, the round bottom of the skirt is 6.5. This is just like a formula I'm using. Then you divide that 6.25 by 6.28, you get 1 inch. Then after getting 1 inch, this is the sample material I'll be using for to cut the high and low peplum flare. So let's say this is your fabric. This is your fabric. Then what you do, you fold it like so. Into two. Then you now fold it. You see this place, this is the opening part, this is the covering part. So you now fold it again to match that place. That is into 4. That is into 4. Now that is into 4, we look for the sharp edge. So you can see this is where you're going to start taking your flare measurement from. So at this point here, you take out your tape measure. Remember, my radius was 6.5 because I divided the skirt bottom by 6.28. So I got 6.28 divided by 6.5. I got 1 inch. So I'll go here like this. At the top here, I'll look for 1 inch, which I got 1 inch here. This side 1 inch. So I'm just going to that's 1 inch. You know, to add the flare to the skirt or to the blouse, you need 1 inch or half an inch to add it. But because this is a formula that I'm using, so I just take half an inch here, half an inch. That's for my sewing allowance. Half an inch and half an inch here. So the flare length is I'll be taking, let me see how many is here. I'll be taking 3.5 for the flare length. So I'll go here like this. I'll take 3.5 and mark it out. Then I'll go like this again. I'll take 3.5 and mark it out. Go here like this again, do the same thing and mark it out. So after that, I'll just draw out my measure, the circle I got here. So at the bottom here, I need half an inch or 1 inch to stitch the bottom of the flare. So I'll take half an inch here because the material is not enough. Like I said, it's just like a formula you can apply on your fabric. So take half an inch here. So this will be for my sewing allowance at the bottom of the flare. So now that I've cut it, now that I've done it, I'm going to cut it out. I'll start here. I'll cut the radius off like so. After cutting that, I'll cut bottom here like so. Let me turn it around so you can see it properly. I'll cut it like this. So I've gotten what I want. Now this is the flare. So the next step you're going to do here, you can, in this flare you can see there's an opening here. Don't touch that part. Here there is no opening. That is the center of your flare. So what I'll do here, I'll notch it here like so. Because the material is so small, my scissors is too big. Then I'll notch the middle at the top of the flare like this. You can see this is the center part. Then I'll now open it up like this. After I open it up, you can see this is the middle part. Then for my front flare, this is the middle part, this is my back part for my flare, and this is the front part for my flare, for my blouse. The front panel flare and the back panel flare. So now that I've done that, I'll now determine the length that I want for my front flare, how long I want it to be. So let's say here I want it to be 2.5. 2.5. Yeah, remember to add your sewing allowance as well. So I'll make it 3 inches. That's my sewing allowance. So yeah, so this is the length I want my front flare to be. So I'll just turn it like this. Then I'll connect it to the middle of the flare where I cut. So I'll connect it like so to meet the middle of the flare, just like a curve. You see the way I curve it to meet the middle. So now that I've done this, now I'll now trim it, cut it. Like I said, this is a formula you can use for your design. So now that I've cut it, then I'll now open it up. Put it up like this. You can see that you got in your high and low pepper top. I don't know if you can see it properly. You can see this side is high and this side is low. That's the formula you can use to get your high and low flare. So you can see that's the formula you can use. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. One peace, one love, and bye for now. Bye for now.